Hi guys, can you tell me what you're making?
We're making a birdhouse.
A birdhouse.
So I can. Now can we start?
Yes, you can start.
This is glue. That's Sarah's.
You know the colors.
Is this glue?
Oh no, it's not glue, it's paint. You need to paint your house for the birdie.
This is white paint. Want to be here.
You want to sit here?
Because I want.
Here. Let's see how's Omer doing.
I do first deflate. I do first deflate.
Yeah,
Oh, Omer not serving me with that.
he will share with you in a second. First use these colors.
Sorry.
Which color is it, Ariel?
Green.
Green.
This is green and this is red and this is red.
That's right, green and red. That's going to be a beautiful
And yellow.
bird's house.
And yellow. That's a light green.
That's right.
That's a green. That's a light green too. And this is red. And
You're
that's
right.
black.
This is a light green and this is a dark green, right?
Yeah. This is yellow. And this is red. And this is green. This. And this. And this. Green. So now I want to do this. Oh. Now I need some pink on the brown. I want pink too. I want pink.
Omer, can you share with her your pink? Good job.
There's enough of pink on the brown. And now I need here pink. This is enough. There's more. Now I need light pink. And that's dark pink. Light pink. And then I do now I need blue. Now
Where's-
I need blue.
That's right. This is blue.
And then I get black. And then yellow. Now I need black. I
Let me see where's the black. Let's see. This is brown.
need, now I need brown.
This is brown. Let's see the
Now I
brown.
need.
That's brown. Do you like to do art projects? You need black?
Yeah. And then now we can put the stickers on.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want.
I want to put the stickers on when it's not dry.
Okay. You think it will stick when it's not dry? Let's try.
Okay.
Let me see, which sticker did you pick? Show me. Who is that?
A caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Let's see the sticks. No.
Sticks. It sticks?
White. Leave it over there. Now. Now, what I got now?
This is white.
What is this? No, I need one. What is this? This
It's a bug.
one. Which bug is it? And it's white now. And then
Mm-hmm.
two white. I got a white for them. Thinking. You're white. Black, pink. My bird is still
This is
inside
white.
the house. Blue. Oh. And now I want it to dry.
Let me see. Let's see what you have. Let me see all the stickers. Wow.
Now I want it to dry. I want to put it in a sunny place.
In a sunny place. But wait, tell me which stickers that do you have here? Wow, all the bugs.
No. Where is the sunny place? Whoa, here's a lot of sunny place. Right?
You want it to dry?
Yeah, it's dry. Right there. Now leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Is it dry yet?
Let's see how it dries. I'll sit here.
You'll sit and wait until it will be dry?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we'll see what Ariel is doing.
I'm so excited to be good.
You excited for your birdhouse?
The bird is still inside.
The bird is inside?
I didn't paint inside. Why not painting inside? Let me see. No, it's not.
No.
Can I pick some of those? This is my bird. Painting this.
You painting a leaf?
Yeah. I want this. I want more nicer one.
You can go take by yourself.
The other shoulder.
Are you done? Yeah?
So now,
Let me see. That's pretty.
Now I need this. Dark pink. Paper.
Yeah, you can make
paper.
a stamp out of your leaf.
Like this. Like this.
You can try to turn it around because you have more color on the other side.
Like this.
No, flip it. Yeah. Yeah, like this. Now press on it and let's see what you have on the paper. Press on it. Press with your hand. Don't be afraid. You just color. Now pick it up and let's see what we have there. Wow!
Let's put it on back. Let's put it back.
This is the stickers for your birdie house.
I have this too. No. I don't have enough.
Do you want more?
Too. Yeah.
I will bring you more.
To paint this with this color.
I'll bring you more stickers.
I have a lot. Yes. I need some more.
Show me the sticker that you have in your hand. Is that a leaf?
A tree. There's a lot.
It's a tree? No, I think it's a leaf.
Look,
It's a big leaf.
up. I put the tree on the house, and then I put. Hey, this is the song. This is on the song.
In the song,
Yes.
it's a ladybug.
A ladybug. Lady, I'm not done. I need water. More. A ladybug. This is paint. Yes, this is paint. No.
What is that? That's a bee?
No.
Let me see the bee. You mixing up all the colors?
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
I want to play. I'm mixing all the plate. Then I can eat it. That's right.
You want to eat it?
And then I want to eat one side. I want it to dry and then I want to eat it.
You want it to dry and then you're going to eat it.
And
I
then
think it's going to be very yucky.
yucky. It's yucky, but I don't want to eat it. I want to eat on it. I said.
Oh, to eat on it. Okay, so you're making yourself a beautiful plate so you can have lunch from it.
Yeah.
It's dry now? Wow. Let me see. Let's see the house. Wow, this is so pretty.
I want it to dry. I want it to dry.
Now you want to put your bird inside?
Yeah. But no, that's my bird is inside now.
She's inside? Now let's see Ariel's house.
I have a little bird. I have the bird. I don't have.
What do you have in your hands? Is that
I'm gonna love to eat those.
Ariel, what do you have in your hands? It's a
This
bird?
will be food. A bird.
You want to put them in your house, the birds?
And then I pick more. One.
You're giving food for the bird? Are you giving her food?
Go house. They don't know how to talk.
Oh, the birds. That's right.
The birds know to talk like this. Chirp, chirp.
They whistle.
So I found another bird.
You have another bird.
So
What is the name of your
no,
bird? She's have a name?
she flew away.
Catch her. Go catch her.
No, she flew away so far.
So fast.
Yeah. Another one is gonna come, I know, when I'm done.
Maybe if you will put a lot of food inside, they will come for the food.
Only one can come. They love also to eat big sticks like this. Can I put this inside? No, I don't want to. No! Dylan!
Are you ready?
I see.
You see your bird? Catch her. Where is she? In your hands?
My bird is inside.
She's inside now? And your bird also is inside? You can hang it on the tree.
I found two stuff. Ouchie.
Be careful. Let me help you.
No, let me do. I'm just hanging it on the tree. I'm hanging it on the tree. I did it.
You did it.
I can put it. Stand there and put it there. I can put it. I can put. Oh, I don't want mine like that also. Like that. That's better. And then let me just take this off.
Yeah, it's better because now the birds can come in and out. They like the new home? You did a great job, guys.